Good evening. This is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of June 2018. So how did it go? It was a good day today. How did you all trade? So let me recap and show you how you should have traded and how much you would have earned. Now this is the 10 o'clock vertical line. The London market opens at 8 o'clock, but the broker server time is 10 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock there was nothing doing. At 8:15 there came an arrow here. So you place a line on the arrow. For example, here this one. Go down. Only one indicator is giving you sell signal. The others are not yet. So we wait for the next candle. So the next candle opens, goes down, becomes green. So we get the first signal here. The blue line is gone below the red line. The RSI is gone down below the 50 level. And the fissure is red. So this is definitely a sell signal. So we sell at the open of the new candle, which is this doji candle, at 1.16544. And then we place our stop loss 5 pips above the high. High was 1.16719, say 1.1672. Add 5, so it should be 77. 1.1677. There it is, about 1677. So you're risking about 23 pips, and you get your 23 pips here on this candle. Okay, goes to 33 pips down. So you get your 23 pips profit. Okay, so this was your first trade, 23 pips profit. And this is the Euro USD pair. Let's go to the GBP USD pair. Now GBP USD pair, there was a red arrow here. If it's not visible, then I will change it to a different color. I have changed the color from here to, so you can see there was an arrow, a red arrow going down. Okay, so you see that the stochastic blue line crossed the red line going down. RSI hasn't crossed yet, and the signal, the fissure is red. So two signals are telling you to go short. You can go short straight away, or better wait for the next candle. And then you see now you're getting a clear signal to go short. Here it is, and here it is. So you got 3 signals to go short. So you will go short at the open of the next candle, which is this one. Then you place your stop loss at the high, 5 pips above the high. High was 3233, so 3238. This is 3238, okay? And you're risking 13 pips. So you get your 13 pips on this second candle, on this one. Okay, so this was the GBP USD pair. So plus 13. So now you have 36 pips profit. Okay, and you didn't have anything other than the market was going down slowly. So let's go to the next one. USD and Swiss franc. With the USD Swiss franc, here as well at 8 o'clock we had the up arrow. So you place a line here, and there is no signal up here, nothing here. So wait for the next candle. Here the blue line has crossed the red line, but the stochastic, but the fissure is still red, and the RSI is still not up yet. So wait for the next candle. Next candle goes up. This is a clear signal. Now the Fisher has turned green. This is going up, the RSI, but didn't quite reach. So, but since we are getting two indicators are telling us to buy, so we're going to buy at the open of the next candle, which will be this one. And we put the stop loss between the most recent low. So the low here was 9891 and the low here was 9891, same 9891. So take away 5, so 9886, there it is. Okay, so this is your stop loss. So you check your risk. You're risking about 13.8, that means about 14 pips. So your entry is here, so you get your 14 pips on this candle. Okay, if you didn't get in this, you will get it on the other one. So you get 15 pips. So now in this trade, so we add plus 15 is equal to 51 pips. Now you are 51 pips up, and after that we didn't get any signal to go long or short. Okay, now let's turn to the next one. This one is USD JPY, Japanese yen, and nothing doing at that time, and we wait until we see a buy arrow. So when you see the buy arrow, place a line over there and look below. No signal. The RSI is still down and this is still down, just about crossed it. Wait for the next candle. Now at the next candle, stochastic giving you a clear signal to buy. RSI is not yet quite up and the Fisher just one green dot. So we wait for one more trade. There it is. And here now this is also green and this is also telling you to buy. So that you are getting signals from two indicators. The third one is about to go up. It's not quite there. But if you are following two indicators, then you go enter at the open of the next candle, which is this one. So you will enter the market at open of this candle and you place your stop loss 5 pips below the low. The low was 109.683, that means 109.633. 109.633. 633 up here. Okay, so you're risking 15 pips. So you get your 15 pips on this candle. Okay, you get your 15 pips here. So plus 15, that makes it 66 pips. And after that there's no arrows. There was one arrow but a bit late. The time was about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But we want to concentrate only about 4 hours a day, the early 4 hours. Then we have the Australian dollar USD. So this is the Australian dollar. And at 8 o'clock there's nothing doing. But here you get a sell signal at 13:15. That is the server time, so it must be 11:15. Okay, you place a line here on the arrow, go below nothing is giving you the signal to go short, so you wait for the next candle. Here the stochastic blue line has crossed the red lines going down, so this is a signal to sell. But the fissure is still red. So this is giving you a sell signal. This one hasn't given you yet. This one hasn't yet, so only one. So let's wait for the next candle. That's the next candle. This is on. Now the signal here is also going down, and here it turned green, it turned red. So you have a signal to go short. So we will go short at the open of the next candle, which is at this candle, 73832, and the high was 73925, 73975. So there's going to be a stop loss, 73975. There it is. So this is your stop loss, or that's your entry. So if you go here, so your stop loss is about 14 pips, 15 pips you're risking. So you get your 15 pips on this candle. Okay, so let's say 15 pips. So you have 15 pips, so we say plus 15 is equal to 81 pips. So today you got 81 pips, and then after some time you get another arrow to buy, but there are no signals here to buy. So you go to the next one, nothing to buy, but now you got the arrow to sell. But except other than the fissure, nothing else giving you a buy signal. So you wait until the next candle, the sell signal. Okay, next candle opens, the fissure is red, the RSI is about to go below the 50 level, but this is up. It's going up instead of going down, so we wait for this. So next candle, still up. Next candle here, now it's gone down. This has crossed this, so this is a good place to sell. That means you will sell and after the new open, which is this, after the new candle. There it is. Okay, so this is where you've gone short. Okay, now let's see your profit, your stop loss. Stop loss 5 pips above the high. High was 7407. 7407 at 5, 74012. High was 7407. 740. Sorry, I have to selling it. Oh my God, I'm sleepy now. Okay. Okay, so here we put stop loss about 740697407, so 7512, 74012, 74012. So this will be a stop loss here. Okay. Right. So you are risking now risking about 30 pips. Your stop loss, and you get your 30 pips here, somewhere here. Here. You get your 30 pips here. Okay. So we add plus 30. This makes it 111 pips for today. So if you had traded accordingly, you get 111 pips. Okay. So this is how it was, and I hope you are still learning something out of it. And please do put your comments that if you have traded, you made some profits, and how many trades you traded, how many profits did you make, and if you made any loss, anything, please do write in the comments box so it can be shared with other members as well. And take care. Bye bye.